Christmas gifts with all the trimmings from Real Deals for You.
The Ryobi SDS 2 kilo hammer. We're going to show you exactly what it does. Drilling, hammer drilling and chiseling. Let's have a look, see how good the bit of kit is.
That makes the job easy. If you've got blown plaster in a room, render, take it off nice and quickly, leaves a good surface behind and doesn't dig in. You can see the shank has got a special groove on the side there, and this locates securely into the chuck of any SDS Plus drill. You just pull the collars back, put it in, release, that is locked in now. It's nice and firm and secure. Once if you're doing chiseling, select the chisel only mode, which is the hammer on its own. Click, now you're ready to go. The chuck won't rotate. If it's not on chisel only, it will rotate, so that's no good for chiseling. You can get, if you need a different angle, you can move it around. We want chiseling only. Click, and you're there. That's chiseling. For drilling, simply pull the sleeve back, release. It's as easy as that. Here's one of the SDS drill bits. Same shank at the bottom. Same procedure, pull the sleeve back, locate it in, release the sleeve, nice and firm. Now, we're hammer drilling, that's a masonry bit. So you select hammer action with a masonry drill and you're ready to go. Release the sleeve, pull out, it's as easy as that. Now there's also a selection of other bits that you can buy. There's auger bits, there's some drill bits with this shank on as well. And if you're using things like that on wood or other materials, you won't want the hammer action. So in those ones you use drill only down there and you'd select that mode. So you've got drilling, hammer drilling for masonry and chiseling for things like taking plaster off or render. You may be able to see the blue light just there. That's called a live tool indicator. If that's on, you know you've got power to the machine. Really useful thing, because very often when you're on site, you're a long way away from the power supply. That tells you immediately if you've got power to the machine. What you've got on this machine, you've got 2 joules of impact. So that's your hammering force, which makes it really powerful. You've got a knuckle protector there when you're using it. You've got a nice, robust front handle with a built-in adjustable depth stop. You can lock on. Got a lock-on feature there. You've got variable speed on the trigger via this little dial. Depending on what materials you're going into. You would want it fast on some materials, slow on others. You just vary the speed by twiddling the dial there, and away you go. All in the Ryobi 3-mode SDS hammer drill.
Visit realdealsforyou.com to find your nearest stockist.